I'm currently working in reverse silica technologies. I joined the company in November 2024 as a software tester, and through an internal hiring, I converted into a developer, and my experience is 1.2 years in total. And then, as I remember, I joined Crio in 2023 April, I think. Yes, ma'am. Through Crio referrals, I got an opportunity in little bit plagiarism, and I got selected. I completed my graduation in 2022, ma'am, in the field of computer science engineering, and I done internship in Wipro for 3 months, and I didn't join the company because in the fear of they will put me in support. And that time only my friend Saran is my friend. One person is there. He was working in Crio as a technical support person, and he referred me, and I joined Crio through it. I felt like I need a structured plan for it because in internet many resources are there, but I can't able to find out a correct structure for how to learn things like. That's why I chose Crio for upskilling. The first thing I joined Crio was actually my friend referred. That's why I joined because he was a good student in my class in college. And the second thing I find the difference from Crio is actually I got placed once in 2024, ma'am. Actually, before itself I got placed, and I got 15 days I worked in a company through Crio referrals only I got the job. But for some reasons they said my performance was not good, and no other institute will take the person back once they have placed. But the Crio taken me back once again, and they gave me an opportunity. Through that opportunity only I got placed into another company. This is what I find a difference. Most of the institutes will be money minded only, but here they also see they gave me another chance. Career support and technical support means if I got any issues with the company, I am attending means if I had any doubt means they would have. I want to raise a ticket, and they will resolve it in a minute like that. That is what I liked, and the structured plan for learning I like about it. Yeah, I enrolled in full stack only, but I didn't complete full stack. I only did Frontend. Around I would have done 5 projects, and many projects I have done many from Crio. And apart from which project I faced where I learned most is the e-commerce website which we have built through Crio sprints. There is a project called QKart. That one helped me the most with ReactJS and having a communication between the backend and the frontend via API, those things. In my previous company, I am working as a mobile developer now, which involves only front-end technologies. But I got placed to a full stack developer role, which involves front-end and backend. I think it will be very exciting to work in both front-end and backend, and I want to, before joining, I have one week left, I think. So I want to sharpen my skills on backend. My previous salary was 2.7 LPA, and it is around, I think, 60% hike. Now my salary is 4.5 LPA. Everyone has a goal. To achieve the goal, we need a structured plan, which has been provided to us by Crio. That is what I will suggest if I want to suggest to anyone. I can't describe a word in a single word. With my experience, ma'am, because I have only around 6 months of experience in development, if I want to search a job apart from Crio, I am doing it in LinkedIn or Naukri, I am not getting any calls. Only through Crio I am getting those opportunities of at least my resume is getting screened and those things and all. So to describe Crio, I will say it has given me a second chance, ma'am, in my life. That is what I will say, because my first company was not that good, and I joined as a tester, and then I transitioned to developer, and then now I am going to the full stack development through Crio. So it has given me a good opportunity